time for Good Day Kentucky on ABC 36 News Now.
Welcome back, friends. Well, just 30 minutes north of Lexington, in the heart of Bourbon County, is where you will find a spectacular tradition, Christmas at Mustard Seed Hill, where you can stroll through the breathtaking lights, enjoy live music, gather with friends, and shop for the perfect handmade gift. So here to talk more about the festivities is President of Mustard Seed Hill, Victoria Benson. Welcome to the show, Victoria.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, well, thank you for coming in, and thank you for Mustard Seed Hill. It is absolutely gorgeous. It really is. So tell us about Christmas at Mustard Seed Hill. First of all, for folks out there that might not have had a chance to stop by and see your incredible light exhibit.
Oh, so this is our 7th year doing it. I don't know if you were there the first year, but it literally started as just a few string lights and one large Christmas tree, and now it's 3 acres. I think we counted over 20,000 strands of lights.
Oh, wow.
When you have to work with an electrician, I've learned a lot about electricity.
Right? I bet you would.
Yeah. So there's beautiful lights and large installations you can walk under.
Yeah.
We have our gingerbread competition, artisans market. We really try to add something new every year to really give the best holiday experience for our guests.
It's really spectacular. It really is. I think our family's first visit was during COVID, and so that was when we came over, and it was beautiful. I mean, you already had tons of lights up and just picture perfect places to, you know, because you're walking. We love the driving tour of Southern Lights too, but this is a walking tour, so you really get to take time, get perfect pictures with your families, and it's just really something.
We really like to provide a peaceful experience to get away from the hustle and bustle, so that walking tour really gets people there.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's talk about the gingerbread house competition that you have there too. It's really cute.
It really is, and it never ceases to amaze me how talented these people are.
Oh, yes.
I could never personally do it, but I do love to look at them. We've had people from, I think, 8 states come and participate this year. Sadly, the Asheville competition, which is the national competition, wasn't able to happen this year because of all the devastation. So we were the second choice for a lot of those competitors, and we were really grateful that they chose us to share their beautiful pieces with.
Yeah, and it's not like the typical gingerbread house that I would do on Christmas Eve, you know, where the walls are practically falling down and all that. These are extremely elaborate decorations.
They are, I call them gingerbread artists because they really are masterfully made and they take months. I think most of them start in May or earlier.
Wow.
And this year, they are just above and beyond.
Yeah, and you know, it's worth the drive to go over. It's not very far, but it's worth the drive just to see all those gingerbread houses alone,
really
let alone everything else that you all offer there. You also have the historic home tour too. Let's talk about that.
So this is our first year doing this, and we're really excited. We are showcasing 7 historic homes throughout Millersburg. If anyone's ever been to Millersburg, they know how charming and beautiful it can be. So we're excited to share not only the history of those homes, but the homeowners will be there to kind of share their holiday decorations and talk about the homes and the furniture. And then they can end the tour at Mustard Seed Hill with the Allen House.
Oh, love it. And also, we need to talk about the artisans market too. You have so many vendors there with so many unique items. Love it so much.
This is the best year yet. I will tell you, I spent way too much money last night myself. But we have over 60 artisans from across the state that participate. And then we ourselves have curated beyond Kentucky artists to come in and showcase their work as well, and it's really, really special.
Oh, that's fantastic. And then also, where do people need to go to find out more information? They're thinking, okay, I don't want to miss it this year. You know, where do they need to go to find out information? And also, how long does it last? What are the dates for it?
So we are open tonight through the 23rd, so there's only a few days left. And you can reserve your tickets for all of our programs or just your entry pass at mustardseedhill.events/Christmas.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you for putting on such an amazing exhibit out there, because it's truly breathtaking, and we really enjoy it. So thanks for coming in, Victoria.
Thank you for having me.
And we'll be back right after this. You're watching Good Day Kentucky.